Teclast P25 look just right with a large 10.1 display and a thin and light metal body. It is uncompromising in giving you a large display while feeling great in hand. Teclast P25 uses a 1610 1280x800 high-definition IPS panel. It gives you both great clarity and great viewing angle while watching content on your tablet. P25 uses a landscape speaker design with Teclast Pure Sound audio system, letting you immerse in the world of sound. Teclast P25 features Android 11. In addition to quality of life improvements, Android 11 also gives users one-time permission control for unknown apps, which helps against information leakage. Android 11 allows users to stay better protected. Powered by ALLWINNER a 133 4-core processor with 64-bit architecture and applications optimized by smart AI algorithms based on user habits, P25 gives users an excellent operating experience. PowerVarogue G8300 GPU has intelligent algorithms that optimize color effects and display details for a more enjoyable audio-video entertainment experience. Teclast P25 comes with 2GB DDR4 RAM and 32GB storage, which are both highly power efficient. It also supports micro South Dakota card expansion for even more storage. Type-C port charging and 3.5mm earphone jack makes P25 more convenient to use. Fast-ACK dual-band Wi-Fi and efficient Bluetooth-compatible 4.2 wireless connection give you uninterrupted access to communication and entertainment. Teclast P25 is equipped with a 2MP front camera and a 5MP rear camera to meet the needs of video chat and recording photos.